Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a popsicle stick puppet. First, gather your supplies. You'll need a few wide popsicle sticks, some craft glue, scissors, and decorative items like felt, yarn, and markers. Next, choose what kind of puppet you want to create, whether it's a friendly animal or a whimsical person. Finally, set up your workspace to keep things tidy. Now, let's start building the body. Take a piece of paper or felt and draw the outline of your puppet's body. This could be a simple oval, a rectangle, or a more detailed shape. Once you're happy with your design, carefully cut it out. Then, apply a thin layer of craft glue to one side of a wide popsicle stick and firmly press your cutout body onto it, holding for a few seconds. This is where your puppet truly comes to life. Grab your markers or paint and give your puppet a friendly face, adding eyes, a nose, and a mouth. Next, get creative with clothing. You can cut small pieces of felt or paper to make a shirt, pants, or a dress. For hair, snip some yarn or string and glue it to the top of the puppet's head, creating a fun hairstyle. Almost done, it's crucial to let all the glue dry thoroughly. Give your puppet at least 30 minutes or even an hour to ensure everything is firmly set. Once dry, gently test all the attached pieces to make sure they won't fall off during play. Congratulations! Your very own handmade popsicle stick puppet is now complete and ready to star in countless imaginative stories and shows. Enjoy your new creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.